Talk to me, oh mama.
Oh, hey there guys. Oh my god, I know I've been MIA for so long, too long actually. I'm sorry. I mean, life has been happening, everything has just been, you know, jumbled up and all over the place. I barely have time for myself, for one. Another thing is that I wanted to get a new camera. I wanted to stop filming with my trusty Samsung S6 Edge, so I was waiting to get this new camera, and now I use a Sony A5100, and you know, everything is all good, everything is better. I have a tripod now, so I can free up my hands and talk to you guys. So what have you been up to? Tell me, let me know in the comment section. So you're welcome to today's vlog. I sincerely don't know what I'm doing today, doing tomorrow, that's Saturday or Sunday, but then I know I wanted to film, I wanted to vlog. Do you understand? So here I am, you know, vlogging and doing. If this is your first time stopping by, yeah, you know, welcome. I've been waiting for you since, yes, you. And I've gained new followers. Even when I wasn't posting, people were following me. Okay, no, not following, people were subscribing.
Oh god, I've lost touch, I'm out of touch.
Anyways, while I wasn't posting, people were subscribing, and I totally appreciate you guys. So now that I have a vlog up and I'll be having content up regularly, I hope you'd enjoy it and you refer, you know, me to your friends. That means you share my video and all those things. So like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Yeah, and let's see where this vlog takes us, because I sincerely have nothing planned for it. I'm going to do my bentonite clay mask later today, and I think I have orchestra rehearsal. Yeah, I play the violin also today, and yeah, that's about it. So god, after such a while I should be coming to you with full face of makeup, but look at me here. Literally, I woke up like this. Okay, bye, later. By the way, who knows a good internet company in Lagos? Tired of buying expensive internet, good and cheap internet in Lagos. I'm tired of buying expensive internet. Oh.
Your back like you're doing a workout, so bend it. So baby, bend it. Oh baby, bend it. Let me see you doing a workout, so bend it. Cause my girls call me Cristiano, Mr. Ronaldo, I'm on Nintendo, yeah. Cause my girls call me Cristiano, Mr. Ronaldo. Just a friend to you. Make a know, make a know, make a know. Cause you know say I did try for you. No say I go ride for you. You're running me, oh boy, you're running me dry. Cry my last tear.
After that kind of intense drying, what you would likely go with, I don't know, I'm not a skin expert or anything, but then what I'll go with is an intensive, you know, hydrating mask just so that everything balances out. And I sincerely don't know where to look at, here or there. Just so everything balances out and you know your face is not super drying. And then this one is from Yanji. I did a haul a while back from Jumia and I featured this. So this is their intensive lightening and hydrating biological fiber mask.
I wanna marry you. Only Teni only if you shake, I'ma go put the ring on it. Only if you rock, I'ma go put the ring.
Thank you, ma. I'll drop my pedal, ma. Can I try to play our service? Thank God. Bunka is not around. Oh.
What's wrong with this one? This one is like camera.
I'm vlogging.
Yeah, don't put me inside though.
I'll put your bomb inside. Hey. Shake it, girl.
You're fine.
Wow.
I can't believe you did that.
Are you just noticing? Wait.
No, because
Hey, come on. Who is this one? Now what's the choir new? Is this how they sing in Russia?
let me see their biggest star.
Hey, give them. What could they shout? They died. They're like, we can't take this. They can't take it. Go France!
What's wrong with this one?
My money is in the office, so hey guys, I think I'm going to have to stop the vlog here. This week has just been, blah. Nothing spectacular happened. Congrats to France, they won the World Cup. I actually have my money on them. I bet in the office and I put my money on France, so I'm really glad that they won. Even though low-key I wanted Croatia to win, but your heart is where your money is. So guys, thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and catch me up on my next vlog.